Good day, mates. Linux, the open-source powerhouse that runs the world from personal computers to supercomputers. Picture this, the Linux kernel, the brain behind it all, managing hardware like a pro. Then there's the shell, where we command it all with finesse. File systems. Linux handles them all, from extension 4 to BTIFS, like a storage wizard. And those system libraries? They are the unsung heroes making everything tick. What's the secret sauce? Linux is open source, meaning it's free for all to tinker with. Multi-user. Check. Multitasking. You bet. Portability. It's a chameleon on hardware platforms. Security. Fort Knox levels. Stability and performance. Top-notch. With distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, CentOS, and Arch Linux, there's a flavor for everyone. From servers to desktops, embedded systems to development, Linux is the go-to. Created by Linus Torvalds in '91, it's a global community effort that keeps evolving. So, dive into the Linux world, where flexibility, power, and security reign supreme. Cheers to the penguin.